It's been a while since I did a video on a phone, and I like that what I'm back with is a device that gives you value for your money. Well, that is part of Infinix's or Infinix's MO, and their just recently launched Infinix Hot 8 does not deviate from that. Huge display, premium design, and spec'd up hardware. At least that's what they promise. We are yet to see that. So let's unbox the heck out of this one. From Techweez, I'm Martin Givenji with the Infinix Hot 8 unboxing and first impressions. Let's take it and go. Before we continue, here's a reminder to subscribe to the Techweez channel and click on the notification bell to get updates on your latest video. TekITnGo will keep you informed on your daily consumer tech to keep you in the know. Or a phone that comes in a variety of colors like Hazel, Cayenne, Cosmic Purple, and Shark Grey. Ours is Midnight Black with 32 GB of internal storage and 2 GB of RAM, though it gets up to 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM. Staring right at you at the front of the box is the Files logo from Google, meaning the device comes pre-installed with Files. More about that later. Inside the box, we have the phone, a customer service card, SIM ejector tool, Infinix X Club registration information, a Files by Google pamphlet, a screen protector, and a very nice looking silicone back cover. One thing to note is the phone is a fingerprint magnet, so for those with OCD like myself, this will come in handy. We then have a power brick capable of fast charging, inner ear earphones, love them, and a micro USB charging cable. No USB-C here yet. Let's get to the device. First, straight to the triple rear camera setup of 13 megapixels, 2 megapixels, and a QVGA low light sensor for those night shots. The Midnight Black is a deep black that I actually really like, being one that likes to have a device that doesn't draw too much attention. At the bottom, we have the 3.5mm jack, the micro USB port, and the speaker grill, dual SIM tray with dedicated micro SD card expansion slot on the left, and on the right, the power button, textured to give it a different feel from the volume rocker next to it. Let's power it on and see what's inside. The setup is pretty fast and easy, as we have come to expect on Android devices, with the Hot 8 running on Android 9 with Infinix's Cheetah X OS 5. The fingerprint and face unlock setups are also fast and easy, though I will still take some bit of time to rate their performance in terms of speed and accuracy after a couple of weeks of use, especially on a 2 GB RAM device with a MediaTek 6761 processor. Not the most powerful, but for the price range, a fantastic chipset. The beautiful 6.6 HD Plus drop-notch display comes in at 720 by 1600 resolution, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, which gives the phone a 90.3% screen-to-body ratio, and 2.5D glass for protection. But we need not forget where this phone falls in the market. Price details coming soon. For me, a winner will have to be the 5000 mAh battery that, according to Infinix, affords you a 4-day life battery. What? And not just that, but on battery drain, you have fast charging to juice you up and get you going. I have to say, for the budget segment, this is a beautiful camera phone, especially the lit selfies, like quite literally lit. They managed to squeeze in an LED light for selfies. I almost missed it, by the way. There are different camera modes and features to choose from, such as AI camera, beauty, bokeh, AR shot, panorama. The pictures come with decent details. Selfie enthusiasts will love the front camera shots. The AI-backed scene recognition feature is able to detect low-light scenes and utilize the dedicated sensor in such scenarios. Infinix also touts their Dirac sound and party mode, which will allow multiple devices to be synchronized together to play a single sound. This means you can use this feature to make your multiple Hot 8 phones to play music all at once. It's a party after party! Another extra feature is Files by Google, an app that aims to free up space on your phone by intelligently recommending apps, spam, and dedicated files to remove so that your phone stays in tip-top shape. But it can also help to keep your device organized, and it doubles up as a file transfer service that requires no internet. The app is free to download from the Play Store, and it comes with some phones like the Infinix Hot 8. It is a lightweight app that takes up only 10 MB of space and offers 3 main features: clean, browse, share. That is,
Clean out junk files and cache to boost phone memory and performance. Browse your storage and find everything with a few taps, and share files, pictures, videos, and transfer large files at a fast speed. And you don't have to use the internet. You can also use files to see how much free space is left on your phone and SD card if your device has one. With Files by Google, Android device owners can maximize their phone storage, and it is the perfect file manager app.
The phone is available in Infinix retail stores and X Park, that is formerly Infinix Mall, and will retail for $10,999, and the Hot 8 Lite will be at $9,999. The 3GB version of the Hot 8 will be sold exclusively on Jumia from the 6th of November 2019 for $11,899. Go grab yourself one and enjoy value for your money. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now we go.